In today's video, I'll show you how to create a bullet point style in Figma using the built-in list formatting tools. This is a quick and useful feature for organizing text, creating cleaner layouts, and designing lists for presentations, websites, mobile apps, and user interfaces. Instead of manually typing symbols before every line, Figma lets you apply a bulleted or numbered list style directly to a text layer. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Figma tips and design tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Figma and go to the design file where you want to create your list. You can either open an existing file or create a new design file. Once your canvas is ready, select the text tool from the toolbar or press the T key on your keyboard. Then click and drag on the canvas to create a text box or select an existing text box that already contains your content. For the best result, enter each list item on its own line. For example, you could type research, press enter, then type wireframes, press enter, and add final design. You can also use longer sentences or multiple lines depending on the layout you're creating. Now, select the text box on the canvas. You can click the text layer directly or select it from the Layers panel. Make sure the text layer is selected so that the text formatting options appear in the right side Properties panel. On the right side of the Figma interface, locate the Typography section. This is where you can change settings such as the font family, font size, font weight, line height, letter spacing, and text alignment. Under the Typography section, look for the filter icon. Click this icon to open additional text formatting options. After clicking the filter icon, you'll see more typography controls. Make sure you're inside the Basics tab. In this tab, look for the List Style option. This is the setting that allows you to convert your regular text into a formatted list. Click the List Style option and you'll see different choices. To create a standard bullet point list, choose Bulleted List. Figma will automatically add bullet points to the lines in your selected text box. Each line will be formatted as an individual list item, which gives your design a cleaner and more consistent appearance. If you prefer a step-by-step or ranked format, choose Numbered List instead. Figma will automatically add numbers to each line and keep the list organized. This is especially helpful for instructions, onboarding screens, process diagrams, task lists, and presentation slides. You can continue adjusting the appearance of the list using the other typography settings. For example, you can change the font size, adjust the line height, modify the font weight, or change the text color. You can also resize the text box to control how the list wraps inside your design. If the list does not appear correctly, check that your text is separated onto different lines. Each line should represent one list item. Also, make sure the text box is selected and that you're looking under the typography section on the right side. If you selected only part of the text, the list formatting may apply only to that selection, so selecting the full text box is usually the easiest option. Using Figma's list style feature is much faster and more consistent than manually adding bullet symbols or numbers. It also makes your text easier to edit later because the list formatting remains part of the text settings. This is useful when you need to add, remove, or rearrange list items during the design process. And that's how to create a bullet point style in Figma. Select your text box, open the typography options using the filter icon, go to the Basics tab, find List Style, and choose either Bulleted List or Numbered List. If this video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.